Welcome to Cisco Center of Excellence at NHC, course Routing and Switching 1, course code NHOP09. Today we will see hands-on session using Cisco Packet Tracer to configure router with static IPv6 addresses. So we will be considering this topology for today's hands-on session. We have a PC0 which is connected to switch 0 and it is connected to router G0/0 interface, and PC1 which is connected to switch 1 and it is also connected to G0/1 interface to the router. Now for PC0 we have to assign the IPv6 address 2001:1:2/64 and link local address as FE80::1. We have already studied that we have global unicast address which starts from 2001 and we also have a link local address which starts from the range FE80. Similarly, we have to assign to G0/0 interface of the router, we have to assign the IPv6 address to 001:1:1/64 and link local address is FE80::1. We have to assign to PC1 the IPv6 address as 2001:2:4/64 and link local address FE80::2. For G0/1 interface of the router, we have to assign the IPv6 address 2001:1:2:1/64 and link local address is FE80::2. This is one network, this is another network, and we are going to connect it using this router. Router has two different interfaces, so we have to assign IP addresses to both the interfaces and we have to assign the IP addresses to the PCs also. Now we will see what is the procedure for this. On the left hand side you can see a document, a Word document in which commands for configuring IPv6 address to PC as well as router are written, and then we will see these commands on Packet Tracer also. So for assigning the IPv6 address to PC0, we have to click on PC0 and then go to desktop and IP configuration, and this window will open. Now in this window you can see here we have IP configuration where we assign IPv4 addresses, and down we have IPv6 configuration. So we are configuring IPv6 addresses today. So we will write IPv6 address for this PC0 is 2001:1:2. So we will write it here 2001:1:2 and /64 value has to be given here. Then we have link local address as FE80::1 or FE80::2, whichever is provided in your topology. You can use that address. Link local address has to be written here. Then we have IPv6 gateway. For this PC0, IPv6 gateway is router interface G0/0. So IPv6 address of G0/0 interface. This is connected to this interface, so this will be default gateway for PC0. So 2001:1:1/64 is the IPv6 gateway for this. For PC1, the default gateway will be 2001:2:1. So similar procedure we have to do at PC1 also. We have to click on PC1 and assign the IPv6 address as 2001:2:4/64 and then link local address as FE80::2 and then IPv6 gateway as 2001:2:1. Now to assign the IPv6 addresses to the router interfaces, we have to first move to the global configuration mode. So we are in user executable mode. We have to type enable to move to privileged mode, and there we will type configure terminal and we will move to global configuration mode. If we want to change the name of the router, we can change by using the command host name and then the name of the router. So hostname R0 will change the name of the router to R0. Initially the default name was router, now it is changed to R0. Now for IPv6 addresses, first command we have to use is IPv6 unicast routing, which will make R0 as a dual stack device. Dual stack means both IPv4 as well as IPv6 will run on the same router. So now we can assign IPv4 address also and IPv6 address also. IPv6 unicast routing is very important command if we have to enable IPv6 addresses. After that, we have two different interfaces of the router, and we have to assign the IPv6 addresses to both the interfaces. We'll first go to interface G0/0 and assign the IPv6 command, IPv6 address. We have to assign the IPv6 address here. So instead of IP address which we used to use for IPv4 addresses, here we have the command as IPv6 address. Then address is 2001:1:1/64, and then IPv6 address FE80:1 link local address. For that, the command is IPv6 address, give the link local address, and then we have to type link hyphen local, and then no shutdown to activate this interface. Similarly, we have to assign the IPv6 address to G0/1 interface also. So we will write interface G0/1 IPv6 address 2001:2:1/64. This is the address to be assigned to G0/1 interface, and then IPv6 address FE80:2 link local to assign the link local address, and then no shutdown to activate this interface. Then we have to verify end-to-end connectivity using ping command. Now we will see this topology. We will draw it in the packet tracer, and we will assign the IPv6 addresses, and we will see hands-on session on this. So same topology we are considering here also. So I've shown you all the commands which we have to write for IPv6 addresses. So we have to take two PCs here. So two pieces we will take, and we need two different switches. So this is a switch 2960 switch, two switches we will take. So we have one network on the left side with switch 0, and another network with switch 1, and these two networks are connected using a router 1941 series we are taking. This is the router, and now we have to provide the links copper straight through cables between two different devices. So fast Ethernet here, and here also whichever port is free we can choose that. PC1 fast Ethernet, and on the switch also whichever port is free that we can connect. Now to connect the switch and the router, again we will connect fast Ethernet here, and router has two different interfaces, gigabit Ethernet 0/0 which I am connecting to the left hand side, and gigabit Ethernet 0/1 which I am connecting to the right hand side, G0/1. Now we have to assign the IPv6 addresses. For that we have to go to PC0, go to the desktop IP configuration, and this is our IPv6 configuration. We have to type our address here, IPv6 address here. So my IPv6 address for PC0 is 2001:1:2, and /64 value has to be given here, /64, and my link local address is FE80:1, and then I have the IPv6 gateway as 2001:1:1. So we have assigned the IP address to PC0. Now we will move to PC1, and similarly we will assign the IPv6 address to PC1 also. We have to go to the desktop IP configuration, and this is the IPv6 address. Now we have to assign 2001:2:4, and /64 has to be assigned here, and then we have FE80:2 as the link local address, and our IPv6 gateway is G0/1 interface IPv6 address. So 2001:2:1 is the IPv6 gateway. Now we have to assign the IPv6 addresses to two router interfaces. We'll go to CLI command. Here we have to say no, and then now we are in user executable mode. We have to type enable to move to privileged mode, and here we have to type configure terminal conft. So we'll move to global configuration mode. If we want to change our host name, we can write the command host name R0. So R0 is my router now. Now I have two different interfaces. One is interface G0/0 and 0/1 for both we have to assign the IPv6 addresses. Now to enable IPv6 addresses and dual stack, the command we will use is IPv6 unicast routing. Unicast routing, this will enable the dual stack on R0, so we can use both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. After that we have to move to G0/0 interface. Once we are in G0/0 interface, we have to provide IPv6 address. IPv6 address for G0/0 interface is 2001:1//64. So we have assigned the IPv6 address. Now we have to assign the link local address. For that, IPv6 address FE80::1 and then link local. So after that we have to provide no shutdown so that we can activate this interface. Now after that we have another interface which is G0/1, and we have to assign IPv6 address to G0/1 interface. Go to G0/1 interface and there type IPv6 address 2001:2:1/64, and my link local address is IPv6 address link IPv6 address FE80::2 is the link local address here, and we have to give link hyphen local. So we have provided the global unicast address, we have also given the link local address, and then no shutdown command to activate it. Now we have assigned the IPv6 addresses to both the interfaces. Now it has turned to green once you assign the IPv6 addresses. Now the connection is ready. We just have to verify whether we are able to ping from PC0 to PC1 or not. Just to place your cursor here and you will see that our IPv6 addresses are assigned now to both the interfaces. Here also just place your cursor at PC0, yeah, our IPv6 address is assigned. Place a cursor at PC1, our IPv6 address is assigned. Now we have to go to PC0 command prompt and type a command here, ping 2001:2:4 is my destination. PC2 IPv6 address is 2001:2:4. So once you press enter, you are seeing the reply from 2001:2:4. So from the source PC0 to the destination PC1, our connection is established and we are able to receive the packets. Sent is 4, received is 4. All the 4 packets we have received. So this is how we can configure our IPv6 addresses manually. So it is static IPv6 addresses. Thank you.